This is elevator bank Y at I have
Down?
yeah. Might have been old Westinghouse. There you go.
Thank you, appreciate it.
Welcome. Lucky 13 on this one. Very fast. I don't know where the other one is. Send you off. This one is different. We'll try to get this one. This might have been old Westinghouse. Can you get a view anywhere? I don't think so. Got a monitor TR button here. Here it is. Got it. Hopefully nobody's in it. Gnarly opening. Got a B and then back to 2. I don't know what it is, but my mind is screaming Westinghouse. Ooh, Epco gong. I like that floor passing chime. Nice and settled. Most certainly a basement. Yeah, this is just regular TR with nanoseptic. Dang, these things are quite fast actually. I don't know what building this is, I'll get the name at some point. Interesting door configuration, look at that. Dual 2 speeds and a single 2 speed. Alright, that's it.